today I'm going to share you one of AI tool which I found, and I also tried that tool, and it's very amazing, that tool. And yeah, I'll go through the step by step how you can use and how you can, using that tool you can make money also, and then also you can build a lot of, a small project. So let's start first. Tempo.lab.ai, and if you search in Google you will find it. So I've already came here, and now what I'm going to do, see here, if you see, I'm able to drag and drop, and this kind of UI they are using, if you see, 10x faster with AI. They have 10x faster with AI. So like that, they are claiming they have more than whatever currently AI tool is there. That is, I think Tempo Lab is more faster than like other AI tools for coding. So see here, this is a dashboard there, how branches and everything is there. If you're able to see, yeah. Now what I will do it first we go to this tool, and we need to log in on that tool. I'll close my other tabs. It's not required right now. Yes, little bit my sound is not high because of I have throat infection. So yeah, but okay. So once you come to Tempo Labs, you need to connect with your GitHub account. So guys, if you don't have GitHub account, first you create a GitHub account via your Outlook email, yeah, via Google account, yeah, also via, you can give any email ID and then you can create. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a GitHub account, so please comment out. I will make video for that also. So guys, yeah. So first here, what I will do, first I'll click on continue with GitHub. Okay, let's wait. It will take sometimes, because in my GitHub account already login there, so I don't want to go to do all the process. Okay, only after clicking on that, it's coming to the my GitHub account, and then it's asking me to authorize the Tempo Lab. So once I click on this button, authorize Tempo Labs, GitHub will authorize Tempo Lab to log in with my GitHub account. Means like a authorization kind of, yeah, here functionality there. Wait, yeah. Now it's it will take no time. See here, describe your app and all everything. So see here, I've already onboarded in Tempo.labs.ai, and if you see here, hi Haritya, please check out the flowing products. Walk through the. See here, now I'm getting message from Kevin, interface and all. Okay, let's see. Later I'll share these things. It's a chatbot. If you have any issue and all, you can chat here. So we do it Byte. So here they are using Byte technology and all for framework. Now I'm coming to the idea about my project, what I need to create and all. So I'm going to create one virtual escape puzzle component. Yeah, e-learning platform course interface. Here, so I'm going to give this prompt, e-learning platform course interface. Okay, and then see what happening. I click on the generate button. Okay. Yes, now it's already started everything. Title, writing your, see here. If you see how to generate and everything, diagram and all the flow, everything is they are creating. I think for diagram they are using Figma extension also inside that. If you see how, for if you guys are making a tutorial video, yeah, any explainer video for related, if you are giving training and all, so this tool is very helpful for you guys. Okay, because you can easily you can make all the framework and all, and then also with explanation whatever you want. See here, you're generating the wireframe and all. So it will take some time, few minutes it will take, because everything done by the AI and all. See here, I think I found this very good AI tool. It's amazing. Still it's generating wireframe aspect is generated, creating routing, generating course progress, then video player, generating notes section, course slider. So this all the major things which are required as if you are creating any e-learning platform. This is very amazing tool. So let's wait. The process already going on, guys. So guys, if you're able to see user flow of this project, how project is starting, a student enter the course, then view the course of interface. See here. So everything is created by this AI tool. It means I can say one-man army which have a lot of bandwidth. And so now this is a PRD where all the user workflow is there. If you see able to, I'm already zooming out. Okay, see here, navigation control, selection lesson here also there, course sidebar, module list, and then selection lesson. Same thing in progress bar, so the completion and mark lesson is completed, similar like that. Here you see main video player, video control, toggle playback, adjust speed of the and seek video position. Similar like that, here they are checking the, if toggle is so, then it will show the explain note area and edit the note. If toggle is hide, then it will hide the collapse note area. Means like this application handling all the loop condition also. So this is the beauty there is this AI tool. If I'm going to design part, see here, my design also created. So this design, if you want to change and all, you can also change. But I've only given a small prompt. I didn't given all the basic things in this guide, this kind of design and all. If you give similar like that, if you have a good prompt and all, so based on that, this AI tool also make your application. So now I think all the setup is already done. Okay, if I'll click here, preview in the tab, see what happening. Vibrant, you can change this name also. See, this is my application is 4 to 10 lesson completed, 45%. It's showing. If you see here, course setting up, concept and all, everything, all the topic, everything is done. That you save the node here. For testing, you can do it this. Yeah. If you see a video also, you can play it. So if you guys are a blogger or something like that, if you want to build similar kind of application, you can come here and you can easily build this kind of application. It's not required any coding and all. See here, it's asking for suggestion also. So, and if you have this, if you want to upgrade this, because free of only 500k daily token you can use. If you want to build in a pro scale kind of application, is that mostly a lot of people are going to use. So I can suggest you can buy this whatever your budget is there. Based on that, you can buy this. Okay, monthly billing cycle. Yeah, yearly also there. I think based on that. But I have already 9.9 million tokens left. 10 million will be added in 21 days, and my daily token is there. 500k daily token I am free. So based on that only I can use. It's not a free of totally, but yeah, if you are a beginner, so you can use and play, and later if you want to build something interesting, so you can use this pro version, yeah, skill version, yeah, ultimate version, based on your own pocket size and based on your whatever money you have. Based on that you can do it. So if you are building in a startup kind of company, so that application will help you to build all the workflow of your company. Whatever you have idea, you only need to bring that idea and then put here. Based on that it will create, and if you something you want to change and all, so you can change it based on your idea and all. So that is also here functionality there. If you see here, it will show all the props and all, because this application, and one of the beauty there, this AI tool, they are following all the latest technology like Next.js, White, React.js. These are the latest technologies there. So that is very good part is there. If you see here in code, see here, all the code have written by the AI. I didn't touch any code part. Okay, you can modify that also. See here, if you want to modify your title, what is you want your title, and you can come here and you can modify also. Okay, so these are the things there. See here, if you see the framework built by White. Okay, so a lot of things there which you can do it. See here, all the things there. Only this homepage.ts is created because only I have given based on that prompt. If I want to build multiple component, multiple things and all, so based on that also this AI tool it will create. So see here, all the our post section is coming here. If you see whatever component, 1 second, I'm using whatever. If you want to change your variation, you can change it coming here. Alter dialog also you can change it. What kind of avatar I'm using? See here, import this avatar I'm using. If you want to change this, easily you can come and select and change. See here. Here you can ask AI to change your avatar also. If you don't want to ask AI, then you can upload your avatar also. So from here you can come and whatever avatar you have, you can come and download and then you can do it. Okay. Here all the batches there, variant of batches, loading project, whatever is showing in application. So these all the calendar, start, cross sell, checkbox, command, context menu, dialog, drawer, drop down menu, everything is there here if you see. All the export table. Now coming to the component part. So see here, one component app, course component, course. If I hit this, see, this is my course content where my project is loading. This is my progress, I think. Yeah, loading the pro. Still creation is going on because of that slowness there. Still creation is going on because it's not an easy task to create it within a minute. But yeah, these are the major things created by this AI. I didn't touch anything in the code part. See, already AI is creating back in all the code and all. Now still remaining part is pending. It will take some time to complete this entire project. I can suggest you this kind of user flow. If you are a developer and someone is giving you to create an application this kind of, so probably you will going to take more time. But definitely, if you are a developer, so you will follow a lot of what I can say, a lot of things like how your project architecture there, how what security and what privacy concern there. So that lot of things there. But I'm not sure right now. It means this AI tool is definitely they are following because without security, no one will able to buy this kind of tool to build a application. So definitely they are following that scenario. But in a future manner, I'm talking because a lot of AI tool is coming and we are generating the code and we are building the AI application using AI and all. So definitely cyber attack and this will happen to all the AI tools and all. In future, definitely they will be very curious about that. They will build similar kind of application which will not come more attack like that. So attack is there in right now. If I'm a coder, if I'm building any application, so definitely sometime attack will happen. If you go in media, if you see a lot of news is coming here, a few years back, this company server going down. So sometimes attack is happen. So that is another things there. So but they are definitely following all the rules and all. But if you are a small player in the market and it's something you want to build, you don't need to hire someone. So this kind of tool help you to build your project. Application and also your product, whatever product you want to sell out in the market via your application. So this application help you for that. And one thing is there, it's totally based on the new technologies. So it's good. I'm using this application last 2-3 days and I saw I've created 2-3 application based on that. But the thing is, till now I didn't upgrade it, but I'm also planning to upgrade this AI tool because it's good to go AI tool is there. So I think still my process is going on, creating all the code and all. It will take some time, right? Because see here, whenever bugs and everything is coming, they are replacing that bugs also. You can deploy this code also in your VS code. If you want to access this code, you can download and then deploy in your VS code also. VS code I'm talking in GitHub because it's already integrated with GitHub. So that is the see here, everything is view current file and all. Still process is going on. Because it's not a 1 hour job, meaning someone will create and all. If you are going to create any React application, so it will probably take a lot of time to install all the npm files and all. So they are doing in backend this all node and npms. I create wireframe, I create Everything created by AI. I didn't create anything here. But if you want to build, see here, you can create a story also. Okay, giving this new story and all. But I'm not going to create anything this, because it will reduce my, here you can connect is Supabase. That is AI. Mostly if you are going to use Supabase, that is a database. I'll show you how you can connect. Here you can come, click on the Supabase. This Supabase will authorize your API. Okay, accept. I can connect with GitHub. Okay, here you can it's similar like a database where you can, a lot of AI tool are using this Supabase for handle all the APIs and all the things and backend part. Now they have authorized the API access. I think 1 second. What they are giving me, read. See here, all the whatever organization you need for installing the integration. See, if you are an organization, then you need to install this kind of thing. So, okay, I'll create this. Okay, how much time it will take based on the there are a lot of people are using these tools to do some experiment. Okay, I'm going to give Techaly AI. Okay, I'm using the free plan. But if you want to use pro and all, it's something if you want to use, I'm only using for you guys. Okay, but if you want to build your own application for your organization, then you can. I'll suggest you first you can go pro, and if you like it and if your everything is good, then you can take this one based on your earning and all. Now I hit the create organization. Okay, now I authorize the Tempo lab. I like it. You don't need to do anything. Okay, I like it this one. Wow, boom. I can close. Now my Supabase is connected. I'll refresh this link. Okay, guys. So guys, if you are watching this video, please subscribe to Techaly AI. Here it will come a lot of I'm sharing a lot of insight about AIs and all, and also new technologies. So now see, I've already done it everything. Okay, now I've connected with Supabase. Supabase connection also done. Loading project, waiting for response. Connect different organization. See, select Supabase project to connect to Tempo. Select Supabase project to connect to Tempo. I didn't understand what is this. 1 second, I'll see, because I'm also doing this one is first time this part. Earlier also I've connected, but the thing is, I think same thing is asking. I can connect with other project also. 1 second. I've already tried. I think. Wait to see. Coursera. See, my design is still going on. Yeah, it's already done. Then it's not required. Now I'm coming to the Figma. So Figma plugin also there. Here in a tempo.ai. Figma plugin also there. Let's see. Now we see our project. See, still our project ongoing. Okay, a lot of things is going on. 1 second, I will run this project. Here, if I open in this mode, 1 second, I will connect with my email ID. Still this part is going on, guys. 1 second, I'll view the web. So this is my web application there. Still this all the things is created. Okay, see here. Still code design is going on. And if you want to add something like that, create a repository. See, I'll create a repository here. Okay, 1 second, I'll give name. What is the give name? Okay, Tempo Lab code. I'll give following link to install GitHub app to correct permission. Okay, we see what is the okay, we need to install. Okay, now it's installed. 1 second, I'll again click here. Yeah, I'll refresh this my editor. Whenever you are stuck or something, you need to refresh your editor also. Almost our part is done. Okay, only what part I'm going to do, whatever we have built. My course interface is video player component with custom control, progress bar and playback speed option. Side navigation showing course module, lesson with completion, status indicator, progress tracking bar, top showing overall course completion percentage. So these are the major things I'm showing for this project. So now it's done. Where my code, I need to push my all the, see here, my all the folder code and everything is there. Component JSON. So this is very small project. You can create multiple things using this application. See here. Each section has a separate structure there. You can create and you can deploy and your. So now what I'm going to do, I want to push this code. React component, go to React component. Okay. Now I want to give my here. Now I push this code in my GitHub account. See how much time it's taking. 1 second, guys. My yeah, I've connected with my GitHub repo. Okay, and yes, I've connected with my GitHub repo. Well, wait, we see I'll go my GitHub profile. Whatever commit I have done, I'm able to see. So I'll share you guys this if you want to see here. All the process, everything here mentioned. One single click, I have created one application. So similar kind of that, guys. You don't need to go any other tool. If you guys are doing, learning the AI things and all, so come this tempolab.ai and create a lot of project using this AI tool. It's a very good tool. Based on your prompt and all, it will create. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.